If you don't like winter but still want to have fun, then watch this kitten ski and run. Meet Whiskers, our fearless feline skier. Or not so fearless. Look at her go, right onto her back. Who knew snow could be this slippery? Whiskers takes another shot, paws flailing like she's conducting an invisible orchestra. And down she goes again. Don't worry, she's having the time of her life. Here comes the big hill. Watch her gather speed. Oops, that's one way to make a snow angel. And now for the grand finale. Whiskers attempts a jump, but can she stick the landing? Nope. But she sure sticks the landing in our hearts. So next time you're feeling clumsy, remember, if Whiskers can laugh it off, so can you. Stay positive, kids.